Welcome to the Family DIY channel. Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. So stick around. This is going to be one of the easiest DIY projects you can do with your car. There are so many things, now the cars have all the microchips in it that you have to go back to the shop to get it repaired. But this is something you can just do on yourself for a few minutes and just for a few dollars. The best part about it is you can just go on Amazon, put in your car, make and model of your car, and ask your windshield wipers, and they will pop right on up. Or you can also go to your auto parts store and tell them what you're looking for. I, on one hand, decided to just go on Amazon, put in the make and model of my car, and we ordered these Rain-X Latitude Water Repellent Wiper Blades. So now let's go ahead and open up the new wiper blades and see what we need to do to get this started. While I'm opening it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're liking this video, give us a nice thumbs up. So here we go. We got the brand new wiper blades. Comes with a very easy instruction guide. So as you can see, the directions are very simple. Well, there's 3 different ways you can do it. One is for if you have this J-hook arm. One of them is if you have the large pin arm, and then one is for the small pin arm. For this type of car we have right here, we have the J-hook arm. So all we have to do is peel up this section right here with your fingers, and then put the hook right on in there, and then you're all set. On the actual car itself, it's a little bit tougher because it's been on the elements, so I'm going to be using a coin or a screwdriver just to help pry it up, but you really don't need one. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off the old wiper blade. I'm using a screwdriver just because I happen to have one, and it's going to help me pry open the lip right here. A little stuck because all the weathering, and then you just pull this off and the old wiper blade comes right off. So as you can see here, it's the J-hook style. Might be hard to see in the video, but it has the hook right here. Just going to open up the latch right here. You have your J-hook. You bring it in over here, slip it in like so, and then push that down. And then the very final step is you take off this protective little yellow cover, and then you are all set with a brand new wiper blade. It's that simple. So to get the other blade, it's the exact same process. Take the screwdriver, pop it open, and take it off. As you can tell, this is why we are changing our wiper blades today. Now just remember, when you're ordering these things, when you're using the front, they're most likely 2 different sizes. For instance, this is the 20 because it's a smaller blade, and on that side we have the 26. So just make sure when you're ordering, you're getting the right sizes you need for your vehicle. Again, we open up the top, slip the J-hook inside there. You're going to hear a pop. They're all locked in. I just got to take off the protection. And now you are all set. So if you found this video to be useful, please give us a good thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.